Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allahumma rabbi zidni ilma. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Ameen. Combinations. Lecture 1. We should be good with others. Combinations. Combination means random selections of objects. It is used to select the objects at random. The order of the selection is not important. So in combinations, the order of the selection does not matter. That is why AB is equal to BA and 2C2 is 1. NCR. This NCR is used for the combinations of R different objects from N different objects, where N is greater or equal to R and N starts from 1 and R starts from 0. Example, this word is given surface and requirement is select 4 letters from the 7 letters of the word surface. So the answer is very simple. It should be 7C4. That means there are 35 ways to select 4 letters from 7 letters of the word surface. Don't use NCR for the repeated objects or identical objects. Like in this question, telephone, in this word, 1 letter is repeating E. So if the question is find the number of selections of 4 letters from the 9 letters of the word telephone without restrictions, so you can never use 9C4. 9C4 is the wrong approach. I mean, we never use C for the repeated letters. There is another way for the repeated or identical objects, and I will discuss that thing in my next lecture. Use NCR to select R distinct from N distinct objects. Now, this is very important. We use NCR to select R distinct from N distinct objects. Use NCN. We use NCN to select all. If we have to select all, let's suppose we have to select all 7 letters of the word uniform, then just write 7C7. Well, this NC1 is used to select any one from N different objects. 1C1 is used to select one particular object. 2C1 is used to select either from 2 distinct objects but not both the distinct objects. Well, 2C2 is used to select both the distinct objects. Like if we have 2 different objects A and B, and if we have to select both, we should write 2C2 for them. Well, 2C0 is used to select neither from 2 different objects. What if we have A and B and we don't need to select anyone, so we should write 2C0 for them. Important terms used in combinations. There are some important terms which use in combinations. So the term number 1 is at least or minimum, and they both means greater or equal. At most or maximum, this means less or equal. And or both, they both means multiplication. Or the word or the word either means addition. At least or minimum. Now this is one of the most important cases in combinations. Greater or equal. Methods. There are 2 methods to solve these type of questions. Usually we have 2 methods. Make all possible selections. This is the method number 1. And method number 2, subtract the options from the total. For example, 0, 1, whatever. So subtract the values of R, subtract the values of R which are not in this option. So we can write this as subtract the values of R which are not in this list. For example, 0 or 1, whatever. For example, given there are 6 women and 5 men. Requirement: select 4 people if there are at least one woman. So method 1. According to method number 1, we have to list all possible options. Like for example, we can have 1 woman with 3 men, 2 women with 2 men, 3 women with 1 man, and 4 women with no man. So we have these 4 options for at least 1 woman. And this can be written as 6C1 times 5C3, this one. This can be written as 6C2 and 5C2 and so on. Now according to method number 2, for at least 1 woman, we have to subtract those options from the total which were not in this list. The options or option. Since this option starts with 1, so the values of R in method 1 are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Since R starts from 0, so this option is not in this list. So we have to subtract this option from the total. Like for at least 1 woman, total minus no woman. So this is the way we can solve this question according to method 2. So we subtract the options which are not in that list, in method 1 list. Or you can learn this as 1 woman means no woman. I mean at least 1 woman means when you are going to subtract this the option from total, then you have to take the values of R 0. At least 1 means take the number which is before 1, which is 0. So 11C4 is for total, and since we are not taking any women, so 6C0, and there will be all men when there are no women, so all will be men. So 5C4 for the number of men. Requirement: at least 2 women. At least 2 women, in this case, this is the requirement. So the value of R before 2 is 0 or 1. So we have to subtract these 2 values of R from total. So for 0 means no woman and 1 means 1 woman. So we subtract those options from total which are not in this list. This list starts from 2, 3, 4. According to method 1, the values of R will be 2, 3 or 4. And according to method 2, the values of R will be 0, 1 because these 2 values are not in this list. So 11C4 minus no woman and 1 woman. Example. We have 5S, 7As and 4 Cs. Requirement: 6 objects are selected. There must be at least one. There must be at least one from each, and there must be more A than C. So there are 2 restrictions: at least one and more A's than C's. So we can have these options. We can have 1S with 3 A's and 2 C's. Since we have more A's than C's, so you should compare these two. We have more A's than C's. We have more A's than C's. More A's than C's. So in this way you can solve this question. You have to list all the possible options. Combinations for making the groups. Now this is important. In this type of question, follow the order. We must follow the given order for making the groups. Make the groups in the given order. Whatever the order is given, always follow that order. For example, in this question, 11 children are divided into groups of 6, 2 and 3. This is the order. First you have to make the group for 6 and then 2 and then for 3 students. Find the different number of selections of 11 children in 3 groups. So we have to follow the order. So make the groups in this order: 6, 2 and 3. Number 1, take 6 students from 11. So when you will take 11, when you will write 11C6, so remaining students will be 5. 11 minus 6 makes 5. So write 5 here. And then make the group for 2 students. Then you have 3 remaining students or children. So make the group for 3 children. So follow this order: 6, 2 and 3. Combination for sharing objects. Sharing or dividing. Methods. Use factorial. Always use factorial for sharing objects or dividing the objects. For example, if we have 1, 1, 7, if we are dividing the 9 objects in this order, like 1 in odd number, 1, 1, 7. So 1, 1, 7 have 3 possible arrangements: 1, 1, 7, 1, 7, 1 and 7, 1, 1. So you have to write 3 factorial upon 2 factorial here, because there are 2 ones. So this 3 factorial must be divided by 2 factorial. Since all 3 letters are different, all 3 numbers are different, so write 3 factorial here. When all are different, 3 factorial. When two are same and one is, in this case we have 2 same letters, so 3 factorial by 2 factorial. What if we have all 3 same? For example, if we have all 3s, like here, so this is just one way to arrange. No need to write factorial for this, because the arrangement for 3 factorial will be 3 factorial over 3 factorial, which is 1. Example: 9 different fruit pies are to be divided or shared between 3 people, so that each person gets an odd number of pies. Find the number of ways this can be done. So we can divide 9 different fruit pies in odd number in these 3 ways. Like we can give 1 to the first person, 1 pie to the second person, and 7 to the next person, the third person, and this is the distribution in odd number. Since we have twice 1 is twice, so 3 factorial by 2 factorial should be here. Here all numbers are different, so 3 factorial must be here. Since all numbers are same, so there is just one possible way. For this one, write 9C1, because we have 9 objects, 9 fruit pies. So when you will give 1 to the first person, you will have 8, then 8C1, then you have 7, then 7C7, and the simplified form of 3 factorial upon 2 factorial is 3, which is here. Now give the one fruit pie to first person, and then give 3 to the second person, and then give 5 to the last person, and 3 factorial, the simplified form is 6. Well, you have to give equal number, like 3 each. We should be honest. I will discuss the remaining concepts of combination in my next lecture. Allah Hafiz.